G'day everyone, it's Chriso. What I'm doing now, all my tiling's done. It's Friday morning and I'm about to start knocking out all these clips, all these wedges, and start my white grout and then onto the floor. I'll be coming back tomorrow morning. I want to silicone it and finish it all off. And then instead of trying to fit it all in one day, because it's so bloody hot on the Gold Coast at the moment, I'll come back for a couple of hours tomorrow morning and pack all my tools away and do a bit of a tidy up. But I've got my rubbish guy coming this morning, so I'll get all the rest of that scrap tile down to him, because this is an upstairs bathroom. Bit of a pain in the ass because you're up down the stairs all the time, but what can you do? So we knock out all these suckers. Just like that. What I'll probably be doing is grout a wall and then wipe it off, because it'll be drying all pretty fast in this hot bloody weather. It's about 29 degrees at the moment. It's 25 past 8. It's gonna hit a bit of a high one again today. We're in a bit of a heat wave. Okay, I'll probably I'll grout this wall and then I'll wipe it off. Grout that one, wipe it off. Grout that one, wipe it off. Okay, we'll see you. Give us a thumbs up if you would. See you on the flip side. Hooroo!